This is 80s.
1981.
Yeah.
It's from 1981.
It's a 1981 Casablanca. No, it's not a Casablanca. It's
Come on.
It's a fan company of America, Saratoga, selling fan with Westwind brackets.
Because there's a reason for that. It's not a Franken. It's not.
Okay, turn on. Low speed.
Has a cardboard box variable speed control in it, as most variable speed fans did back in that day.
Very nice fan.
Barely looking at it.
Yeah.
Nice and aesthetic. Alright, so now we're gonna turn it. Okay, that's where that thing is. Put it right here. Probably makes no difference whatsoever, but I don't care. Actually did make a little difference. That's about a Slumber 3.
There's a screw that's loose and it's humming.
Yeah. It only does this on like these medium-ish speeds. If I ever take the fan down, I'll go in there and fix it.
Now faster speed. That turns slower. Yeah.
Where'd you put it?
Let's just turn it high. Is this high?
No, not even close.
Then turn to high.
No, we're gonna be skipping a lot of speeds though.
Oh.
So this is about a medium. That's high.
Excuse the washing machine, or as Nolan calls it, the Whirlpool direct drive.
So here's like a medium high. Here's high.
Good fan.
Yeah, it's starting to squeak for what? I don't know. This fan never runs any higher than medium though. It's usually on low. Wait, Andrew, didn't you want to do a video of the Copper Zephyr?
No.
I thought you said you did.
Well, there it is. Okay, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.